Lexus LX570 body kit. This one is 2020-2021 look design. You can see that all the chrome items that's supposed to be not chrome, it's supposed to be hyper silver, and it is hyper silver exactly. See, this is like a semi-gloss, semi-matte satin color. Yeah, it's already in black color. We have it in pearl white or in black. All right, same thing for the upper grille. It's like a satin type of chrome. Plate holder is also there already. Everything is painted, grille is painted. It's dark gray, almost black. Rubber seal included. This rubber seal on top of the radiator grille insulator is there. Some other insulators, some rubber seals for the lip and back diffuser as well. Some additional covers. So that's a complete set. This is just additional for your bumpers. You don't have to replace your bumpers. It's just additional upgrade. Very easy to replace. You take off your bumper, take off the grill, change it with this grill, mount that front lip spoiler underneath of the bumper, rear lip spoiler, 3 pieces. All right, so if you have experienced garage, you can do it very easily within the same day, or maybe within just a couple of hours or a few hours. You can definitely install this body kit. Very simple installation. For experienced garage again, we don't recommend to do it at home. It has to be a garage with the lift, with the jack. Okay. Transfer the emblem here as well from the original car. Thank you for watching. Carmarket.com, guys.